Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Now I want to show you. Yes, that's a kitty if you want to know. I want to show you my little precious little kitty. And kitty samples. I don't know where she is, but here she is. Look at that kitty. It's the time that you guys. No, come here. It's the time that you guys see my kitties. But if Kitty Shopper does come over here, I'll tell you what it is. She's black. She hides in the shadows sometimes. So if you don't know, Alex Wasabi, subscribe to them. They are the amazing YouTubers in the world. And Guava Juice. Subscribe. Their pug's so cute. Subscribe. Well, please subscribe to them. They're amazing. Yeah, and I always watch their videos every time at my, my TV. It's so amazing. You guys should watch them. This is Alex Wasabi. That girl. Is there? Okay, I gotta go, guys. Tomorrow, I'll play a game with my cats. I'll show you guys tomorrow. This is a little short video today because my mom's coming home and she doesn't want me to do a video. It's not that, but okay. I'll see you guys later. Bye.